I'm attempting to locate a replacement motor for a Fasco 7190 to 1186 U90B1 for a summeraire HRV.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
I just started looking. The motor on my HRV is beginning to squeak when in use. When I put oil in the port, it stops squeaking for a bit, but then the squeaking returns.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible, that is the intent.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of.
Hello, please look at the specs for a motor here. I see it cross-references to the D236. If it does not appear to be the same, let me know.
It does not appear to be the same. I looked at a selection guide from the link you sent, and the motor seems to be closer to the Fasco D326 model. My Fasco motor, which is failing, has 4 stud mounts. Motor length is 4.5 inch tall, top shaft is 1.5 inch long, bottom shaft 3 inches long, and the shaft diameter is 3/8 inch. My motor also has 2 brown wires, 1 white, 1 black, and a ground which attaches to the bottom fan enclosure. The link below says the motor can be shortened if necessary, but not sure exactly what tool I will need to cut it. Here is where I found the Fasco D326 photo, http://www.electricmotorwarehouse.com/1 to 10 horsepower to 1550 revolution per minute, 3 speed, 3 diameter, 115 volts, Fasco D326 /hashtags tash.x95 ruccp.dpbs.
Well, you are the correct one. I reloaded again in the Fasco site cross-reference and you are right. See here as far as shaft size. Measure what you need on shaft and mark with a Sharpie. I add 1/4 inch because you cannot cut too long but can cut too short. Use a sawzall, reciprocating saw, to cut the shaft. The end does not need to be perfect cut. Then file/sand the end edges so it fits into the fans. I also put just a bit of WD-40 on so the fans slide on easily. The manufacturing make generic length shafts and leave it to the customer to trim to length.
Thanks for your assistance. I have ordered the D326 motor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.